Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, got a set of all-season floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a Linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a push start ignition, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 14,581 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.